In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view drafts on Reddit. Whether you're someone who likes to carefully plan out your posts before sharing them, or you simply save something to finish later, knowing how to find your drafts can save you time and frustration. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account in your web browser or the Reddit mobile app. Drafts are tied to your account, so if you're not signed in, you won't see them. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar, a little image, or a simple placeholder if you haven't customized it yet. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a menu will drop down with several options related to your account, such as your profile, settings, and history. In that list, you should see an option labeled Drafts. This is where Reddit stores any post or comments you saved as drafts instead of publishing right away. Click on Drafts, and you'll be taken to a page or section that shows all of the drafts associated with your account. Here, you can scroll through and find the one you want to work on. Each draft usually shows a bit of the title or the beginning of the text, which helps you quickly recognize what it is. When you find the draft you want to continue, simply click on it. Reddit will open it in the editor, just like when you're creating a new post or comment. From there, you can review what you wrote, make changes, add more details, or adjust the formatting. Take your time to make sure everything looks the way you want. Once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and publish the draft as a normal post or comment. If you're still not ready to share it, just back out or save it again, and it will remain in your drafts for later. Keep in mind that drafts are stored locally in some cases, and platform updates can occasionally affect them, so it's a good habit not to leave important drafts sitting for too long. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon in the top right and then selecting drafts, you can easily find, edit, and post anything you've saved for later.